right out here. And just press it up against it. Okay. Big yeah.
So I'm curious, like, how do you control the thickness of the cane that you pull?
This, in the way I do it, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Really, that is really determined when you're doing this, when you're doing that, you know, and then when you hand it off and you begin the pull. You know, if you begin the pull too early, it's got to be thin. If you wait a bit, then you can have it be bigger diameter.
Okay.
You know.
Yeah.
But the problem is, if you wait, that part that you got long, it tends to stay that diameter.
Yeah.
So, you know, it's cane pulling is definitely tricky. It's definitely, you know, I'm okay at it. I'm not great at it.
But sometimes you just pull like a lot, right? And then you just find the thickness that you need. Yeah.
There's that too.
Yeah.
Oh, I always take all the canes. I have a gauge upstairs. I'll show you that I use to sort it. Okay, reheat. And I would hold slightly up. You're holding slightly down. I would hold, I'm holding slightly down. Then that bar, real far left. It's okay to do this left so that it gets perfectly selected. That's it. Do that too. And I will touch the end while she's doing that. You can touch the end with the jacks. It makes it a little nice. That's it. That's it. Okay. Where did the post go? First, it's over there. Get the pipe rack, it's too close to it, and have the pipe rack is right there. Rack is pipe rack pulls the heat away. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. Do you want a box? Do you want a box over there? Amy always has a box. She's about her height. And so she always has a box.
It's easier to see. It's easier to see. It's easier for you to see.
Okay. Right. Okay, there's hold it up a little bit to try. Yeah, get the glass off the end. There you go. Now marker that. Very lightly. Faster. It's much easier if it's faster. There you go. That's about it. Now just wait. I put it off the end, and that makes it easy to control. Just let it cool down slowly.
Do you ever trim the end of it, of the cane?
I don't. That?
Okay.
That?
Yeah, because sometimes when there's too much clay at the end, right?
Yeah, it's
You-
better to avoid that. By after you gather, you hold it up a little,
Yeah.
and it comes off the end. Otherwise, you just freeze it.
Okay.
You just put it.
So
in
then
water
the pot
and
doesn't
freeze
really
it.
pull out that much. Yeah.
Now with Duro, you have to be very careful about that. You know, with Duro, you can't have the clear on the end
Okay. Oh, because it pulls differently completely. Yeah.
completely. Duro, you really have to be careful. You can't have any glass on the face of the blowpipe, and on the post, you have to have almost no glass
What happens?
on the end. You're ready. I'm sorry.
What happens here?
I was talking about Duro. Yeah,
What
Duro.
happens here?
The clear pulls and the white doesn't pull at all. It's amazingly stiff. You got it. And that is now it's you hold it up on your way.
After I come out of the furnace,
Exactly.
then I
Exactly.
So I don't hold it up when I'm inside.
Oh no. Nice. Yeah, now hold it slightly up. There you go. Now you can hold it up. Very nice. Okay. Barber. Now make the end flat. Turn it. Hold it straight. Yeah, push. Yeah. Turn. Touch it. Push down. There you go, Barber. Yep. Good fix. That was good. Make it cylinder. You need to get rid of that. Yeah, that's it. Okay, now put the end in the water, like half an inch. Be very careful. Half an inch. And just hold it. Just hold it. There you go. Reheat. Hold it up in the glory hole. Heat behind the door. Like that. There. Hold it up. You're holding it down. There you go. Keep it up. Otherwise it'll get long. Okay, Barbara, the outer half. And repeat. She can get you. No, okay. Same thing. That's it. And reheat. Now, the bucket and the bench, put the face just real quickly in the water, okay? Yeah, even a quarter minute. Be ready. Just to chill it one more time. Wait a minute. Stay there. Ready. Reheat. Behind the door. Reheat. Okay, let's get the post. Okay, oil and post. Here you go, stick it together. Stay together, it's easy. Just push. Now pull. And then you have a swap over. Again, pull the
Okay. Sorry, we're gonna pull.
high and down. Pull. Okay, this is the hot end, so that stays down. Let's go. That's right. Yeah. Begin to pull. That's it.
So I should be
on
higher
that
up?
side. That's it. Just slow. Constantly walk. Keep walking. No stopping. That's a good speed. You should hold it up more. please. You go up, you go down. That's it. Go, keep going. This will be a little bit thicker cane. That's great. Slowly, you're speeding up. Don't speed up. Just keep going. Keep it nice and tight. Keep it really taut. And we keep it taut as it cools down through the annealing temperature. If you do that, it will cut more cleanly. If you put it down really hot, when you cut it, it'll cut sort of jagged, not so pretty. Okay, you can put it down. And I'll write this. That was nice pull. Very nice pull. Yeah, it's good. See it? You just got it's a good pull. Very good pull. You did.
There's a section
But-
that's in there.
Oh, that's okay. You can use all of it, you know? You can use everything. That you can just throw away. Thanks. Okay. Hey, Ron, is that? I'm teaching a class. Hey, it's good to see you. Good to see you. I want to say hi. Welcome. So good to see you, Ron.
Yeah, see it.
Hey, so do you